Thank you, Django. Ladies and gentlemen, Joey, okay? Yeah. Okay, good. It would be my honour if I could ask my beautiful wife for our first official dance.
She said you're dancing in movies. I almost started to believe her. And then I saw you and I knew. Maybe it's 'cause I got a little bit older. Maybe it's all that I've been through. I like to think it's how you lean on my shoulder and how I see myself in you. I don't say a word, still you take my breath and steal the things I know. There you go, saving me from all of the cold. Fire, we're falling like us. This much desire, surely we'll win. Some say that we're out of control, some say we're sinners. Don't let this ruin our beautiful rhythm. 'Cause when you unfold and tell me you love me, and look in my eyes, you are perfection, my only direction with fire over. When we fight like lions, and then we love and feel the truth. We lose our minds in the city of roses and don't abide by any rules. I don't say a word, but still you take my breath and steal the things I know. There you go, saving me from all of the cold. Fire on fire, we're coming like feathers. This much desire, together we'll win. Some say that we're out of control, some say we're sinners. Don't let this ruin our beautiful ring. 'Cause when you unfold and tell me you love me, and look in my eyes, you are perfection, my only direction, and fire of fire, with no really kiss. This much desire, say that we're rings, say that we're out of control. Some say we're win. Don't let this ruin our beautiful rhythm. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, join your couple on the dance floor.
Thank you.